SAS or Python? Which one is right for you? In this video, we'll compare some of the differences across these three very popular advanced analytics tools. At the end of this video, hopefully you'll have an idea of which one you might want to learn. At the end of the day, you really can't go wrong. With that said, let's head over to our PowerPoint. Now we're looking at Google Trends to get a sense of how popular these tools are, at least based on Google searches. You'll see overall Alteryx tends to have less searches than the other tools here, Python and SAS. Now, R is hard to get a read on because it's a letter, so we don't have R shown here. But what you'll see is SAS' popularity has declined over time in terms of Google searches, and Python's popularity has really increased quickly since about 2010. It's become a very popular tool for analytics. Now, this is Python in general, which again can be used for things beyond analytics. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider liking it formally. And if you'd like to see more analytics, data science, and leadership training videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Finally, if you have any questions on what we discussed today, please leave a comment and I'll try to respond to it as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.